Greetings, I'm your professor, Brittany Bernard, and this is the introduction video for Building an Online Learning Community 101. First, let me introduce myself. I'm originally from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, born and raised in the capital of Pennsylvania. Contrary to what people might think, it's Philadelphia or Pittsburgh. Nope, it's Harrisburg. There's my lovely family. I graduated from Higher University School of Communications, and just recently, 2 years ago, I married my lovely husband, Reginald, and he's originally from Haiti. Now let's get into it. What is an online learning community? It's a public network of people who are connected virtually with the shared objective of enhancing their learning experience. Learning is social. Collaboration fosters critical thinking and real-life problem solving. Timely feedback and encouragement between the members builds the learner's confidence. Common goals create a sense of belonging, trust, and support among the learners in the community. So now let's discuss the course outline, the content, the lessons, the assignments, etc. So the course assignments are due weekly. You'll have one discussion post and 2 responses to your peers, 1 assignment, and 1 journal reflection. It's very important that you do the responses because this is supposed to be a platform where you will receive and give out information and feedback. And the journal reflection is also important so that not only will you obtain and maybe regurgitate the information in an assignment, but you will also go back and reflect on what you had just learned. There will be 1 midterm project in the middle of the semester. It'll be a group project. And then there'll be a final project at the end, individual. Okay, so the content of our entire class is learning the 5 imperatives or important necessary things of building an online learning community. First one is know your why. What is the goal of this learning community? What information are the learners seeking? You must know what your end goal is in creating this community and whom it's serving. Once you figure out what the learning community needs and will acquire from being a part of the community, you can then begin the building process. An online learning community needs a solid foundation, as anything does. Next, you should choose your tech. It should be user-friendly and very easy to navigate. There should be no prerequisites for using it. It should also cater to different learning styles, such as visual versus auditory, kinesthetic versus secondhand, and social versus solitary. So the platform that you use should be set up in a way that caters to everyone's needs. And before you start anything, everyone in the community should introduce themselves. Everyone should share personal information, background, professional information, and their different learning styles so that the other members have a sense of who is in their community. In doing that, the members feel more comfortable and close to each other. They also have a deeper understanding of each other. Sitting in front of a computer alone can have its negative effects on an online user's emotions. Getting to know each other will allow the loneliness to decrease. Once everyone has been introduced, it is very important to have an open line of communication, such as discussion boards, peer group feedback, blogging with comments, and collaborative projects. This is where the most interaction takes place. The replies should be timely and easily accessible. Members of the community should frequently engage in healthy exchanges of information. The interactions must be focused, informative, and appropriate, and focused on the main goal of the community. The discussions in the community should have purpose and display online etiquette. The post should not offend anyone, and it should not be full of unnecessary information that is off topic. The more focused and helpful the discussions are, the more likely your community will sustain its members and also continue to grow and receive new members. Lastly, it's so important to just be genuine and be yourself. Share your own experiences. Express your own opinions. Feel comfortable enough to ask questions, and no Twitter fingers. Twitter fingers refers to having an online facade, being one way online and another way offline. That's about it. That is all the content for this class, and I hope you enjoy your semester.